Seeking a comprehensive tool to streamline your online business? Look no further. Enter the world of systemeio, a robust platform that offers an all-in-one solution for your online business needs. Designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, systemeio provides a suite of tools to create, market, and sell products online. With features ranging from website building to email marketing, sales funnel creation, and affiliate management, this platform has it all. Think of systemeio as not just a traditional customer relationship management platform, but as a holistic solution to online business management. Manage customer contacts, track interactions, and automate engagement, all from one centralized dashboard. Developed by French entrepreneur Aurélien Amaker, systemeio simplifies the complexities of online business operations. It empowers users with the tools they need to build, launch, and scale their ventures with ease. So, how does one get started with systemeio? Simply create an account on the platform. Use the user-friendly drag-and-drop website builder to customize your website without the need for coding skills. Develop sales funnels to guide potential customers through a structured journey from awareness to conversion. Leverage built-in email marketing features to engage with your audience, nurture leads, and drive conversions. But that's not all. Systemeio also offers robust features for affiliate marketing. Set up your affiliate program within systemeio, define your commission structures and terms, and you're set to generate revenue through partnerships. Remember, the power of systemeio lies in its integrated nature. Monitor the performance of your campaigns and funnels using analytics tools for continuous optimization. So why wait? Experience the power of systemeio and revolutionize your online business operations. Equip yourself with the tools to succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Unleash your potential with systemeio today.